Here's how to get and use Taser in emergency Hamburg. So the first thing that you're going to do is to make sure that you are riding an emergency car. After making sure that you are riding an emergency car, at the left or right side, you will see there the inventory options. What you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you'll be able to see there the options where are the different weapons that you can use. What you need to do is go ahead and click on the teaser. Now, once you have already clicked on the teaser, you have to make sure that the teaser that you are using is charged. So you will see this below on the screen. Once you make sure that it is already charged, you can now go ahead and use it to the people or use it when you are going to arrest people. You can just go ahead and click on arrest and the teaser will automatically turn on and be used to your game.